네, 울산의 새로운 야간
Good afternoon. My name is Lee Na-eun from Ulsan City, and here I'm going to introduce the Ulsan Bridge as a bridge of youth and light show design. It's a great pleasure to meet you. This is the table of content. We have 7 chapters. I will introduce the city and nightscape in Ulsan, and I will talk about the bridge of youth and the vision and light show and the future plans as well as expected outcome. This is the introduction of Ulsan. We are located in the southeastern tip of the Korean peninsula, and we have 4 districts and 1 county, and in total we have 5 administrative zones. And just like Han River in Seoul, we have Taehwagang River in the center of the city, and we have Ulsan Bridge, which is located in the lower part of Taehwagang River. And Ulsan is the representative industrial city in Korea. We have Hyundai Motor, S-Oil, SK, and many other leading companies of Korea, and it is well known as a business-friendly city with business-friendly policies. And in last year's workshop, Suncheonman National Garden made a presentation. And even though we are an industrial city, Ulsan City would like to transform into an ecological culture city because we have the Taehwagang National Garden, which is the second national garden designated by the central government. And we are also a mountain city because we have beloved Alps in the Yeongnam area. And we have the mountains and the ocean, and we also have a rural and urban complex in the city. This is the downtown of Ulsan, and across the city we have the Taehwagang River. And let me play the nightscape promotion video of Ulsan City. So the video is quite short, so I will give you more images on the nightscape. And this is the Ulsan Bridge. It's nightscape, and you can find the shipyard below that. And this image is the petrochemical complex, and it is on 24/7, so you can see the factories. And this is the iconic nightscape of Ulsan as an industrial city. Next, let me talk about advantages of Ulsan as a nightscape landmark. First, we have abundant night tourism resources available for development and utilization. We are taking our first step as a nightscape city, so we have abundant untapped resources in the city. And second, Ulsan is a nightlife city with a lot of bang for your buck. The citizens have not experienced the nightscape yet, so I believe that we can increase the satisfaction level of the citizens once we start the related project. And we have many companies, and we are seeing an increasing number of corporate social responsibility projects where we can secure enough funding and resources. And fourth, we have formulated specialized urban light plans in Ulsan in 2022, and we identified 20 detailed projects in 2 major fields, and light show with Bridge of Youth is the beginning point of those projects. And last but not least, we have the image as a global night view city, and we are reviewing to join Lucy. And these are 5 advantages of Ulsan as a potential nightscape city. And let me talk about the vision and goal of Ulsan. And we would like to build a vibrant city of lights where every day is a festival. We want to reflect the features of Ulsan City so that we can build a city of water light nightscapes. And we have iconic projects written on the slide. Now let me talk about the Bridge of Youth light show design. This is the project overview. We started in 2022 up to April this year. We have completed the projection. We have completed the construction, and the Ulsan Bridge was completed in 1935, and it is 356 meter long and 8.7 meter wide, and it is connecting the residential complex with the industrial complex, and more than 6,000 people use this bridge. So it is one of the most frequently used bridges around the Taehwagang River. And these are the changes of Ulsan Bridge over time. So the first picture is when it was constructed, and the second picture is in the 1980s. And Ulsan-gyo Bridge was both for the pedestrians and cars back then, but for safety reasons, in the 2000s, it was dedicated to pedestrians. And now in 2020s, we remodeled the bridge as a bridge of culture, so people can enjoy food and drinks there. But it was suspended during the COVID-19 era. So this is the first phase of the project. So it was done from January 2022 up to March 2023, and the budget was about 1.6 billion won, and we installed 4 floodlights, and we installed the moving light, which is the core element of the light show, and we had 36 moving lights, and we installed 32 speakers, which is a 60-watt capacity, and we installed additional gobo lighting. And this is the second phase of the project. It was done from May 2023 up to April this year. And the budget was about 3.9 billion won. And we installed the LED landscape lighting on top of Ulsan Bridge and improved the safety and comfort of nighttime pedestrian environment. We installed 139 LED landscape lighting, and because of complaints that the people cannot listen to music enough, so we installed additional directional loudspeakers, 2 pieces of them. And these are the installations we have added on the Ulsan Bridge. And we have conducted the landscape lighting test before installations, and we wanted to minimize the glare, so we adjusted the angle of the lightings, and we also tested the colors of the lighting. And this is the positioning of the lighting, and we made 5 zones. And for entrance, we had zones from 1 to 4. And for natural lighting, we used the 60-degree angle lighting. And in the middle, we have zone number 3. So for a luminous effect, we positioned the 30-degree angle lighting here. And this is the image we took after the completion. So at nighttime, it looked cold before. However, now it looks much more pleasant and warm. So people use these bridges often even at nighttime. So it increased the satisfaction level of the users drastically. And let me talk about light show design and operation. We started in May this year, and every Friday and Saturday we do it 3 times a day and every 30 minutes. And we have 3 categories. And we have 7 songs for moving light, and we have other 13 songs for the program. And on the right side, you can see the site where we operated light show, even though the weather was so cold. And this is the picture of director Lee Yeon-so. He made huge contribution to light show in Ulsan, so I would like to thank him taking this opportunity. So let us watch the video clip of light show in Ulsan.
So watch me bring the fire, set the night light. With shoes on, get up in the morning, cup of milk, let's rock and roll. Kink out, kick the drum, rolling on like a rolling stone. Sing song when I'm walking home, jump up to the top of the brown. Ding dong, call me on my phone, nice tea and I'll get my ping pong. This is getting heavy, can't hear the bass, boom, I'm ready. Life is sweet as honey, yeah, this beach chain like money. This go all alone, I'm into that, I'm good to go, I'm down, you know I glow up. Hey, so let's go. 'Cause I'm in the stars tonight, so watch me bring the fire, set the night light. Hey, shining through the city with a little funky soul. So I'ma light it up like dynamite. Whoa, bring a friend, join the crowd, whoever wanna come along. Word up, talk, just move right up the wall. Day or night, sky's the light, so we dance to the breakdown. Ladies and gentlemen, I got the medicine, so you should keep your eyes on the ball. This is getting heavy, can you hear the bass? Boom, I'm ready. Life is sweet as honey, yeah, this bitch chain like money. This go all alone, I'm into that, I'm good to go, I'm down, you know I glow. And let's go! 'Cause I'm in the stars tonight, so watch me bring the fire, set the night light. Hey, shining through the city with a little funky soul. So I'ma light it up like dynamite. Whoa.
네, 비쇼를 운영하면서
Operating light show, we had some civil complaints over the noise. So that's why we are editing the program and we have been replacing equipment after securing funding. And we select new songs based on the popularity. So we are going to upgrade the program every year. And these are the pictures of the citizens enjoying the light show. Some people dance to the music and some are taking pictures, and the passion could be shared among the public and they are filming the light show as well. This is the last chapter, which is a future plan and expected outcome. And we have two directions for future plans. First, starting with Ulsan Bridge, we would like to improve the nightscape of other bridges around the Taewagang River. Some people say that it is scary to cross the bridge at nighttime, so we are going to enhance the nightscape. So we are going to start with the bridges which are frequently used by the citizens. And this is the second direction. We want to use the advantage as an industrial city, and we are going to have a social contribution projects with other companies. So we have had major social contribution projects, and the bridge of delivery was also one of the projects, and many of the large companies located in Ulsan have had social contribution projects here. And we have advanced digital media design project and giant waterfall and beach of light projects will be all social contribution projects. We cooperate with companies. And this is the collaboration with SK Innovation. It is called Wonder Globe Media Art. It will be completed by the end of this year. And the budget is 2 billion won. And through special rendering, we can display the advancement of the technologies in Ulsan City through the media art. And this is the MOU we signed between Ulsan City and SK Innovation and University of Ulsan. And we would like to make Ulsan a fun city. So based on this MOU, we are going to have different projects in the coming years. Next, this is a project in Namgu area, and we work with SK Innovation to improve the nightscape of Changsengpo area. It will be completed by the end of this year, and the oil tank, the exterior of the oil tank will be used as the screen, and we will have the media facade content here. And these are the expected outcome. We are going to invest 40 billion won to boost tourism spending with a goal of increasing tourist arrivals by 6 million. And the economic ripple effect will be 169 billion won, and the expected spending of tourists is over 1 trillion won, and job creation will be 2,273. And the light show of Ulsan Bridge. I just completed the presentation, and I hope that our case will be a best practice. And thank you for giving me this opportunity to present our case as a best practice here at the workshop. And Ulsan City is taking the first step as a nightscape city. And I hope that experts here will have interest in our city. And I know that you are having a long day, but thank you for your attention.
네, 다음에도 더
I hope to see you at another time with a better opportunity. This is the end of my presentation.